welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful healthy vegetables. Black color. Dark green color. Purple color in brinjal. Red color in chili. Red color in capsicum. Light green color in broccoli. Dark green color in broccoli. Brown color in potato. Red color in tomato. Yellow color in mushroom. Red color in mushroom. Purple color. Yellow color. Orange color. Pink color. Light blue color. Wow! Kids, our beautiful healthy vegetables are ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.